Have you ever wondered why it is so difficult for you to like sometimes fix your lashes? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be fixing these lashes on my clients. Like there's one funny thing, her eyes are like her lashes is coiled. Not only that is coiled, they are too long, like too long, and is coiled like in different ways. So I was done with her makeup and like got to the point where I have to fix her lashes, and I was trying to fix these lashes, and guys, this was one of the hectic thing for me to do. I don't think I've actually fixed lashes for people that their lashes are so coiled and all that, but this one is actually something else. If not for one thing, I could have actually leave her eyes like this without fixing lashes on it. But okay, I was still like, okay, let me just try my best and still see. Like, even when I fixed it, you notice that the false lashes that I'm putting on is hanging on top of her natural lashes, and of course it's not going to look nice, of course. So sometimes I would just like use my brush and try to drag out her natural lashes out of the way. And there's one funny thing that I never ever fix lashes with with like tweezer. I use my hands to fix lashes. I don't know why, for some reasons, but this is something that had become so used to me, and I don't know how to stop. I don't know how to use tweezers to fix lashes. And guys, when I was done fixing these lashes, you know the worst part, I didn't like it. It was not giving. It was something else. So I have to remove it, and I have to look for another lashes to fix on. And when I got another lashes, guys, like I wish like when I was recording the process anyway, but when I was done, I realized that her lash line was not really visible in this video, because you guys needed to see how long that is. Like it's too long, like when I even fixed the second lashes, like honestly her lash line were almost the same length with the lashes that I fixed. The only difference is, or the only difference, or the only whatever, is just that her natural lashes is so coiled that stopped it from being long. But I can still, like, I can't even use mascara on it like this. So what I did was I have to use my brush to drag it out. I have to drag, because like I can't even use mascara on these lashes before I fix it, because I feel like if you use mascara before fixing it, it's going to coil. Like it didn't just coil once, it coiled more than two times. Like it's coiled and coiled, something like that. So you can't even use mascara on it beforehand. So I have to use mascara. When I was done, I first of all dragged all of them out of the way. Like this was hectic. So when I was using this mascara, honestly, it was almost the same length with the natural lashes that I fixed. And this was something that is I've not seen, and I'm like, I'm going to share with you guys my ordeal. Like as I'm talking about this right now, like I'm already okay. But when I was doing this makeup, these lashes gave me headache. Like it was so hectic that I said I was going to upload this video. Okay guys, so like afterwards I equally brushed down the lower lash line, and voila, this is it. So I used a very tiny lashes on this look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.